YouTube. In here, got my daughter. She helped me darken out the address on the box. Added her touch of color to it, but we got something else here in the mail for the X-Max. This goes into the X-Max profile. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I need some subscribers, so if you could just take a second, just click that right there, you know, please tell them subscribe, baby. Say subscribe. She don't want to. She's being camera shy. That's alright, guys. She's still here with me, though, and she's going to help with this. So, got another package in the mail today, and we're going to open it up and see what we got. Like I said, this goes into the X-Max profile, so...
I got started for my dad app.
Yep, she got it for me when they delivered it.
Yeah. That's easier.
Alright.
See. What are you doing?
Watch.
I'm watching you.
I got a sucker. A pineapple sucker.
Right? I like that
Look,
kind.
pineapple one? Okay, it's for you, then you can have it. So you gotta say, thank you, RC Juice, for giving me a sucker.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me a sucker.
Alright, let's see what else we have here.
I like this kind.
Order
It's
information.
yellow.
Yep, yellow. Pineapple. 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer. What's that? Oh man, look at the size of this box. Buddy, something's poking out right there. Anything else in here? Nope. So I gotta put all this back in here. Alright, guys. And gals. What we have here. Okay, let me get you up in here, okay? Alright, what we have here is the Tenshock 1/5 scale brushless motor, and it is the x501, okay? And as you can see, it's 890 kV. So there's the specs on it, right there with the check mark at the top, right there. So we have 890 kV. And that is the specs on it. It is the motor length at 89 millimeters, the motor diameter 57 millimeter, shaft length is 30.58 millimeters, and
I'm going to tell my mom.
oh, I'm sorry, the shaft. Yeah, I think I got that right. The weight is 700 grams, and this thing is heavy. Not like super heavy to where like the X-Max, you know, isn't gonna perform good or anything. Let's just say, I'll let you guys read that. Pause it. I'm not gonna sit here forever, but all right, here we go. It's that time. Got some stickers. Ready? Oh my gosh, guys. Holy cow. Alright. We got our wires. We have no end connectors. Alrighty then. Good thing I have some of my own that came with the ESC. But, man, this shaft, I can't even explain. This thing is just massive. Look at this. Gee whiz. And to show a comparison, check this out, guys. That's the stock X-Max motor. It is just tinier all the way around. That thing is beautiful. Weight actually isn't too bad compared to the original X-Max motor, to be honest. It's pretty light housing, but... Wish I had a scale, I would, That's flat side right there. Yeah, guys, this is opening of the Tenshock x501. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. We'll have other videos of opening some other stuff I'm waiting on to come in the mail. Might even be tomorrow. So stay tuned and please subscribe. King out.